guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, we're cooking up some carrot jollof rice, you guys, with some shrimp. Yes, you guys, it tastes amazing, and you know I had to add my little twist on it. I usually seen it with fish, but I am adding some shrimp to spice things up. It tastes amazing, and you guys really going to enjoy this recipe. It is basically one pot dish. It's just so easy. So be sure you like the video, comment down below if you ate jollof rice before, and also if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now so you don't miss out on our video. Without further ado, let's get started.
Alright guys, these are the ingredients you will need to make your carrot jollof rice. You will need 2 carrots. Hopefully these one are very pigmented. For the seasoning, I have curry powder, thyme, salt, what else? Nutmeg, it's in there, it's kind of mixed. Nutmeg and smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika if you have the regular one. I will be using half of this Maggi cube to spice things up a little bit. I will be using shrimp, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, green scotch bonnet pepper, and I will be using green onions instead of regular onions because I don't have any. Now we have 2 cups of rice here. Check the description box for the measurement. Let's get started. Okay, now I am going to start by cutting my carrots. Cut the ends. And I am going to give these a quick wash. Now I am going to cut them small so they don't break my blender. I am all done with the carrots. I am going to put them in so I can blend these. I am going to add a little bit of water in here. Time to strain my carrots. Just gonna pour it here. Just use a spoon to get the juice out. That carrot is not as pigmented as I thought, but that's fine. That is fine. Now guys, remember, do not throw away all of this pot away because we're going to use a little bit of it in the rice, so don't throw all of it away. So I'm just gonna store this little amount on the side, and this is what you have. The juice look a little darker. I promise you guys it's not as dark. Maybe it's the light, I'm not sure, but it definitely looks dark. It's not as dark, I promise you guys. Now it's time to blend the red pepper, green pepper, the regular green onion with the scotch bonnet pepper. Now if you don't like spicy food, do not use all of it because it's gonna get pretty spicy, especially if you blend it with the seeds and everything. I am going to take the seeds out because I do not want it to be too spicy. So I'm going to remove the seeds and just add that much in there, just this little much. Okay. Okay, this is my blended red bell pepper, green bell pepper. This is what it looks like. Now we're going to parboil our rice. I have about 4 cups of water, or maybe a little under 4 cups of water in this container right here. So I am going to let it come to a boil and pour my rice in there and let it cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. am going to set my timer to 6 minutes. Okay, this is about 3 minutes in. This is how my rice look. About 3 minutes. Alright guys, basically it is done. I just have a few seconds of it. This is how it looks. Pretty sure you guys can see it. It's not fully cooked, it's just like halfly cooked. Alright, I am going to pour the water out and put it in a different container. Okay, this is my rice halfly cooked. I am going to put it aside when I need it so I can use it. Moving on, I am going to pour some oil in here so I can fry my shrimp. The shrimp, I don't really have to season the shrimp because while I am cooking all the rest of the ingredients, the shrimp will be seasoned there. So let's just add the shrimp in there. Just gonna remove the shrimp, put them on the side because they look like they're nice and ready. Okay, in the same pan we're going to add thyme. Just going to cook that, and then I am going to add my red bell pepper. I am going to fry the red bell pepper, everything else for a good minute. But now I am going in with the paprika, salt, nutmeg, and everything else. We're going to let this fry until it's nice and golden. We're not going to let it cook too much because we still have to add the carrot shaft in there, but stay tuned. Alright guys, time to add the carrot shaft. This is what it looks like. We're going to add it in there. Just pour that in there. Just give it a quick stir so it can cook. I'm going to let it fry. I am going to add half a Maggi cube in here. Add your Maggi cube, half. I already add salt, so there's no need to add any more salt. You can add more salt at the end when you taste it. Just let this fry. Now it's time to add the carrot juice in there. I am definitely going to need some more salt, so let me add about half a teaspoon of salt. The good thing is it's not spicy. This is exactly how I want it. It's not spicy, it's just right. Now time to add the rice. Just turn down your heat at this point. Just let it simmer. Now all I have to do is add some red bell pepper for some decoration. Now I am going to cover it for about 5 minutes and it should be ready after that.
There you guys have it, the carrot jollof rice. I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure you like the video, comment down below if you like jollof rice. But I hope you guys enjoy it, so be sure you are subscribed if you're new, like the video, thumbs up, and of course I had to add my spin on it. I did add some shrimp, and you know, every now and then I like to add my spin on regular recipes. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Do not forget to subscribe if you're new, like the video, comment down below if you guys enjoy eating jollof rice, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next one. Bye guys, love you guys.